Welcome to TechLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix sound problem on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. At first, go to your search and search for Control Panel. Then just open up Control Panel. Then make sure View By is set to large icon. Then search for Sound and open up Sound. Then from Sound, just make sure your right device is set to default. Currently, I have this device set as default device, so I don't have to worry about it. So just make sure you have chosen the right device as default device. After that, just click on the device, go to Properties, go to Levels, and then just make sure this sign is not muted. If it's muted, just unmute it. Then just go to Enhancements, and then just make sure Disable All Enhancement is selected, and then click on Apply, then click on OK, then click on OK again. And that is how you fix sound problems on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.